everybody. Okay, so this is part 2 of my laundry soap experiments that I saw Brittany Gunner do on her channel. Trying to get some gloves on here. I am using the same exact colors as the last one. I did have the Naples yellow in the last video that didn't mix up good. I let it set for a few days, mixed it up again, and it was fine. It had no more chunks in it. So that's the only color that I'm adding that I didn't use in the last one. And let me grab the painting that I did before. And this is what it looks like dry. It has not been cleaned or varnished yet. That will be in part 3. So this is what it looks like dry. It's very shiny. The colors held true. It turned out beautiful, I think. I mean, it has this one little flaw in it from where a bug landed, but this might be the one I experiment with the resin coating on, because I want to do a clear coat on one, you know, of spray varnish, one of liquid varnish, and then one of resin, just to see the difference of how it holds up. So same colors again, plus the Naples yellow. So we have Naples yellow by Artist Loft, then Master's Touch cobalt blue, then the Master's Touch Viridian, Master's Touch turquoise green, and then the Pearl by Craftsmart. And I mixed them all with, it takes just a little bit of laundry soap. The laundry soap is blue, but it doesn't change the color of your paints. I got the laundry soap at Dollar Tree for $1. Since it's an experiment, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. Okay, so the experiment on this, both are 8x10s. There's something on there. One has silicone. I went ahead and layered the cup, and that's what it looks like so far. One is silicone. One is dioxide. Okay, one is the coconut hair serum. One is the 3-in-1 silicone, and we're going to do flip cups on both of them because I want it to be a true test compared to the other one, minus the extra color. So we're going to go ahead and let that set for a minute. And the cup here has been wiped down the inside with silicone. The one on this side has been wiped down with the dioxazine, whatever. So we just want to see the different effects, because the video that I had watched Brittany do that she added the silicone to turned out gorgeous. So, well, she added the hair serum to hers is what it was. So we will see. We will lift that one up first. I'm going to poke a hole at the bottom of that if I can, just to make sure all the paint's running down. Okay. So that's the inside of the cup, if you can see that. Set it over on the side. I'm gonna do a torch on it to pop those air bubbles before moving it around. Okay, just work on some composition a little bit. Check my sides. Then we'll torch it and go to the next one. Now this paint definitely is thinner than we're all used to, but you use very, very little of the laundry soap compared to paint. Okay, I'm going to torch that, and then we're going to move it out of the way and do the next one. Okay, so this is with the, was that the silicone? Yeah, this is the one with the silicone. Okay, I'm gonna move that out of the way and then do the next one. Okay. So that's the inside of that cup. This one is the one with the hair serum. Already, this one I'm getting better cells. I don't have the Spot On treadmill oil, otherwise I would try that. Is an experiment. It is in my cart on Amazon. I haven't finished shopping, I'm gonna be honest with you. But it is on my list to get. And when I get that, we can do an experiment with that too. It's got a lot of yellow on this one side. Okay. I did overstretch it over here, but we will see. Touch up the sides. Okay, go ahead and give it a torch and see what we got. Okay, so let me wipe down the bottom so I can bring it in for a close-up. Now my sister Tammy and I, she's over at Tammy Time. I can put her link down at the bottom. She's just starting and just learning how to do acrylic pouring still. But we are challenging each other on some different stuff. We just came up with a few different ideas. And right now I'm challenging her into doing a painting with laundry soap. She can pick the colors of her choice. It's up to her, unless she would like for me to pick them for her. If that's the case, then we'll just make her do similar colors to these. So that is your challenge, Tammy K. as well as the other ones we have discussed. Okay, so this is the one with the hair serum, which the cells, besides me stretching it out too much, the cells are so much better than the one with the silicone. But it is the 3-in-1 silicone, not the spot-on treadmill, which will make a difference because that silicone is even better. So let me know what you think of the experiment so far in the comments below. And part 3 of this video will be dried results and varnishing. So I hope everybody has a good day. Take care. Okay, this is the painting from the first video. It had no additives, just laundry detergent and the paint, and we left the yellow out of it because it was chunky. So that's how that dried. It is not varnished yet, so that would be the next test. Okay, this one is from this painting, or this video. This is what it looked like dry. Sorry for the shadows. This is the one that had silicone in it, the 3-in-1 silicone. That silicone did not work out so well. There is the finished piece on that. And then this is the one with dimethicone. Definitely had more cells. Looks like I just probably need to mix up the dimethicone a little bit more. They are completely dry. They've been cured for about 2 weeks now. So the next step is to varnish them in different ways and see how that turns out. And these two we did add, we did add the yellow to them, which I don't like as much as the one without the yellow. And for some reason, that first one came out shinier than the other two. So I'm not sure if it's the way I mixed it, or the additives, or the fact that the yellow paint had set for 3 or 4 days. So we will test all that. Let me know what you